go. Yeah.
I just had to cut it.
Slimeatory? I wanted to come here. Go queen. Oh my god, that's just so cute.
Here comes the best thing.
This smells good in here. Devilfish? My kind of place, babe. These plushies are crazy. We came here for slime, not clothes. But the products are all cool. Look at that! Look how cute this shirt, this backpack is. Oh my god! I make it! They got that dancing cactus thing. Wait, was that? Have a good one.
There's a little froggy.
Oh wow. Oh my god, that shirt's so cute. This place is so cute. And very anime too. I like it. Look at that. My bad. Oh my god, look how cool this is. I love the anime aesthetic with it too. Oh my god, it's a pizza. I love it. Honeybee? Cute. Cute. Wow.
A true gamer.
Wow. Wow.
You're a player.
One thing I know is I have too many clothes. Oh, this shirt's cool. So we came here for slime. For slime.
It's over there.
We came here to make our own slime. It's like... Remy room. So like, how do we do this?
Pick your same texture.
They all look regular.
Yeah, they might be just the same. To make your own.
I'll make your own. Make your add-ons. $2 each. Even more add-ons. Hello. Oh, cute. I love pins. Cute. We got a Murakami one. We got a Murakami one. I like this one. Cute. $13.
$15.
$13. Crazy.
Daydreams.
Interesting.
Ew, it smells like
It smells like
soap. Like laundry detergent.
laundry detergent, yeah. A cotton candy. It smells like those sugar cookies that come in those like
It
bins.
says peppermint strawberry chai latte.
And those grandma cookie bins. Smells like Axe body spray on a teenager.
Happy New Year.
Those the hot Cheetos. Looks like it affects my IBS.
I don't like the smell.
Smells like spicy.
Bet. After party.
After party.
That looks like vomit.
Kit, a unicorn threw up.
Smells like paleta.
Yeah, fruity. Like those scented things from like school pencils.
I don't like that.
They're like,
Peach yogurt. Yeah, that's right.
looks like Patrick if you melted.
Coral reef.
Coral reef.
Has pearls in it.
Looks like poop with corn. It doesn't it? It looks like poop with corn.
You can use it. It says try me.
Oh god, man. Yeah, let's just make our own slime. Can we get help though? Let's go. $13. Crazy. We're gonna figure out how to make our own slime.
Smells good.
Oh, that smells good. I like that one.
Be
I'll
mine.
Be mine. I will be yours. Babe, look, it's a bubble blower. the space bubble gum bazooka 69. Whoa, babe. Whoa. $10 mystery slime bag, babe. Ooh.
It's love potion.
Lip potion. It's all sparkly and cute.
I know. These are like Valentine's, I think. Winter Candyland, maybe? That one smells really good.
The Be Mine.
It's called Love Bug.
Little cinnamony. Sakura-chan. Ooh. Just like Sakura in the show. Useless. I ain't got no money.
She wasn't that useless.
Well, now she's not useless, but
In the beginning, yeah, she was. I don't know. I like this one better.
yeah.
It smells like paleta. Be mine.
Like a bum pop.
Yeah.
We can make stickers and name it.
Look at that. It's cute too.
Cool.
Which one, babe? I can't choose.
I'm thinking something with red, but
Because you can't even see the name on that one. You can see that one. Yeah.
I probably. It's cute though. I like it.
Your turn.
My turn.
Wow. XO.
Wow. It smells good.
What happened? Did it fall out?
You dropped like 1 star.
I dropped 2. Sorry, babe. I'll put your 2 tiny stars right back.
That's right. That's right.
I'm sorry. Why? Why is it falling? There.
You're dropping all
There
of
you
them. You're dropping all of them.
Yes, sir. No more stars are falling out. Don't want my mans to cry here.
That's not yours. Called the nostalgia.